Hi there, I'm Katie for RustiKate, and today I'm going to be sharing a few updates and hopefully launching a new series of tatting videos. Over the last couple years, I have been absolutely terrible about posting videos. I've thought about it almost every single day. I've tried to do it many times, but through this last couple years, I've kind of launched into a new stage of my life. I am currently the mother of a very sweet and very creative and kind of messy toddler. And then also we have a golden doodle dog as well, who's also very sweet, a little bit noisy, and a little bit messy. It brings with it, of course, lots and lots of joy. Also some struggles in how to be creative and how to share that with the rest of you guys. And after kind of racking my brain and trying to figure out how do I get my creative space clean enough to do a video and then kind of flopping at it multiple times, I just finally realized just to embrace the chaos and that I shouldn't be trying to be overly clean if it's not possible. It's the mom life, you know? So hopefully you guys will enjoy this journey with me. Even so, even if there's noises in the background, even if there's messiness, it would just be good to get back to the creativity and back to sharing things with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope if you haven't subscribed already that you will. And when you do subscribe, make sure and hit the notification button so you'll get notified of all new content. If you like this video, hit a like. Let me know any other comments you might have. Share it. All of those things really help. And I look forward to seeing you again next time. All right. Take care. Bye.